Daniella Chávez is a Chilean model, Instagram star, and social media celebrity. She rose to fame at the age of 24 after appearing on the cover of Playboy magazine as one of the hottest women of the year. Besides this, Daniella has amassed several million followers on different social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On Instagram, she has amassed more than 13 million followers with her sizzling, curvaceous photos and videos. For further information regarding Daniella's age, height, weight, family, boyfriend, career and net worth, read the full article. According to Daniella's date of birth, her age is 31 years. She is 5'3" tall, and her weight is approx 59 kilograms. Daniella is a hot and gorgeous woman with blonde hair and blue eyes. Talking about Daniella's family, she has not revealed much information about her family members and siblings as of now. Having been passionate about modeling and glamour ever since a child, from a very young age, Daniella began her career as a model. She finished at third place in Queen Vina del Mar beauty and modeling competition. She rose to fame at the age of 24 after appearing on the cover of Playboy magazine as one of the hottest women of the year. Subsequently, Daniella appeared in various other fashion and fitness magazines. Various brands including Converted Kicks, Chanel, Burberry, Christian Louboutin, and Tiffany & Company have chosen Daniella as the face of the products. Daniella's net worth is estimated to be more than $3.5 million as of now in 2021. Sources of her earnings are modeling, commercials, brand endorsements and other business ventures. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe.